Backing into CocoCay, Symphony of the Seas with us today. There's Symphony of the Seas. Next to Freedom of the Seas. You can see our water slide hanging off the end up there. It's the biggest water slide in North America. The Thrill Water Park. Yeah, just the slides. Where's he wanting to go? Got that sandcastle. This is Chill Island. You have to have closed-toed shoes. We can ask them. There's our ship, Freedom of the Seas. It's a little island over there.
Put your shoulders in.
There's Henry. We're getting ready to go snorkeling. We're taking the GoPro snorkeling for the first time at Chill Island, CocoCay. Here's our ship.
But does it give you a pop-up? It does? Extra boom pop-up.
Look, look. What the heck, boy? Oh.
That thing was huge.
Oh. What is that? Oh.
Enjoying our snorkel adventure. CocoCay. Tons of lifeguards out here. Chill Island on CocoCay. Yeah. Or go up straight. Chill Island is where all the little shops are. Probably the busiest part of the island.
Alright, we're
But we had a little bit of rain, so they made us all get out of the water, and some lightning and thunder a little bit, and then it looks like there's more coming. So we're gonna get a head start back to the boat. But here's some of the little shops that they have here. I hear more thunder. There's definitely more coming. Lots of beach bags. Then you got the pool over here. Another beach area over here. But yeah, this is the Chill Island part. Got more shops up here. Got a bar. The straw market is what this is. A lot of the same stuff. Shirts, bags, beach stuff. Kelly and Henry, perfect day, CocoCay. Had the water park closed for about the last half hour. Would not be happy if I spent that kind of money on that and couldn't use it. There's the ships. Lots of clouds. So we came back to the boat because it's getting ready to storm, but the pools and everything is still open. Very quiet. This is what it looks like on CocoCay Day. Yeah, it's a little cloudy, so there's probably more here than would normally be here too. But yeah, hardly anybody. Yeah, it looks like a good one. I might have to do Icon next time. There's the Symphony of the Seas right next to us. The kids area. We gotta go there. On the other side. There's the regular pool area. It's cloudy, but it's not really raining. They're forecasting storms, but you can see there's really nobody on the boat. We're gonna take advantage of the short lines on the water slides, possibly the flow rider. Perfect day, CocoCay. Still a lot of people down there, but it's really overcast today. More ship exploring. It's CocoCay. Basketball court. Rock climbing wall. Stuff's not quite open yet. Henry's gonna do the water slide. There's no line, so that's good. There's Henry up there. Waiting his turn. Looks like he's probably up next. Yeah, he only had to wait about 30 seconds for his turn. No, we don't. Ship is gonna come down yellow or blue? There he went down the yellow. I missed him. Good splash. This is what it looks like at 5:30 in the morning on a cruise ship. I'm gonna use the rain track a little bit, but as you can see, Yeah, there's one other walker up here, but nobody really up here, but it's beautiful at 5:30 in the morning. I see the belly flop contest getting ready to start.
Now, ready? Yes, sir. Yeah, you look like it. Look good. Let's go.